Meningitis is an infection that we see both in the summertime as well as in the cold winter months. It really is quite simple to understand. It's an infection around the brain, but unfortunately it can cause some pretty serious consequences like seizures, hearing loss, and possibly death. Most of the time it tends to be a virus or other common bacteria that we see even in infections in the bloodstream and in the lungs. Ear infections can spread to the brain if they're not properly treated. Organisms that cause meningitis are the same organisms that cause infections like pneumonia, only this time it gets into the fluid around the brain. Symptoms that would be worrisome that you or your loved one have meningitis would include fever, headache, stiff neck, vomiting, or obviously a change in your behavior. During the winter months, people get a fever and headache all the time, and it could be strep throat or just a common virus. There's really no way for you to know. So what we would want you to do is come into the emergency department, let us take a look at you, and if necessary, we can run tests that can diagnose meningitis very easily and give you the proper treatment in order to prevent those serious complications.